excited. My loop wheels have arrived at last. Might take a while because I'm struggling to actually get in through the tape. But... Ooh, Vicky. What is it, Licky? Have we got nice things? Special things. Oh. What's in here? Licky. What's Mummy got? What is it? Oh, beautiful. They're not as heavy as the old ones. That's good. Put that one down there for a moment. Obviously, very important. Lots of cardboard packaging. More. Ooh. Oh, thank goodness for that. A fitting guide. That could be useful. Put that to one side. You don't need a fitting guide to do the admiring bits, do you? Right, that's in this way. And in a total opposite to my old ones, these are black. But actually I don't think there's a choice of colour for these, I think they're all in black. Ooh. So like my old ones, which I've had for a few years now, these have got the Carbo Life push rims. They've got like a rubbery feel to them and they're slightly bigger than the standard ones. These are beautiful, really beautiful. Wow, they look fantastic. And the marathon tyres, which I think they're Kevlar lined, so they're kind of bulletproof. That's the idea. What is it? You've been very good. Do you sense something happening here? Do you sense the excitement? I'll tell you what, I hope all this packaging is recyclable. It's like cling film. Aha. Oh wow. These are going to look fantastic on my brand new wheelchair. With the black and the purple.